Return. Right. Here we go. Nice flower. Right. Hello family. I'm going to say that. This is a bird pond that we have for our studio, and the hide is good for the equipment that we have for the cameras and for the hive as well, and the birds in is for the birds that we have affections, and the seeds are the wall, and the flowers are like countryside that we have. The pond is built with plank of wood outside, and we've got a white timber sin, and we've got timber on it, and we've got debris on the water itself, and the trees are behind us, and the views over here. We've got the camera to sit in the middle, and we're sitting behind the tree, and we're actually looking at the birds from the angle in the middle. The birds have a close eye on the water itself, and the whole bird thing is to do with the eye and and that's it. Right, hello. We're working on the height now, and we're going to take some photos for an hour, and I've got a camera for 100, very good camera, and it's good for wildlife, and the bird table's outside, up there, the pond, we call it the pond, and we're actually doing bird photography, and we're doing great tits, as we speak, and so I'll read you some photos now, and then I'll see you later on. Right, we're actually in the height now. We're set up and everything, and we're looking out the bird table, and hello family, and the birds are actually on the log as well, and that's it.